if you have business cards, if you have personal credit cards, in my opinion, these two strategies is the best way to get money off your credit card, like right now. Let's talk about it. Welcome to Level Up Finance, where we talk about money, mindset, on the road to get millions. On this episode, we're going to talk about how to get money off your credit cards. First off is Cash App. Cash App been around for a while. It's a very easy, fast way to get money off your credit card. Yes, there's some fees, a 3% fee, if you're using your credit card, but that's just a small fee to get cash. And you won't get charged cash advance if your credit card qualify. There's some credit cards that don't qualify to do this, like a Citi credit card or a Capital One credit card. But Amex work, Chase work, US Bank work. I tested a couple. I don't know. I didn't test it all, but Capital One and Citi are definitely two credit cards, regardless if it's business or personal, that won't work. Another fee that's associated with Cash App is a 1.5% fee if you want your money to get put in your account instantly. If you wait a business day or two, then you don't get charged that fee. So for every $1,000, if you do the instant and you get charged that 3%, which you are going to get charged that 3% anytime you use a credit card, that's 4.5%. For every $1,000, that's $45. Okay, so you get $1,000 in your pocket and you pay a $45 fee. And if you don't do it instantly, then you only pay $30. So, depending on what you want, you could do it. You can get it now or later. Also with Cash App, you can have as many Cash Apps as you want. You can have, as long as you got a number or an email that you could, put on your Cash App, so it could be associated with your Cash App, you can have as many Cash Apps as you want. As long as you have different bank accounts and different credit cards that could put on each Cash App, you could have 10, 20 Cash Apps if you wanted to. Now we're about to set up a brand new Cash App from scratch. And I'm going to actually take money off and everything. So I'm going to take a little hit for y'all. So give me a like, man. Give me a like on the strength of that alone. Now let's get it. Boom. Since it's brand new, you got to associate either a number or an email. Since I already got a Cash App, I'm going to just do an email. So boom, then you should get a code sent to you. Okay, now since you did all that, they're gonna ask you for a debit card. What's your name? Okay. Feel free to send money to this Cash App if you want. Welcome to Cash App. Oh, now I want to link up my credit card. Now I'm going to link up my business credit card, man. My Amex Sky Miles, Delta Sky Miles. I'm going to hook up this link credit card. Now I got the Amex linked up, and you need a bank account to get the money in. Yeah, they use Plaid to hook up your account. So there you go. It's a Chase account hooked up. I got my debit card hooked up. I'm hooked up. I got all three things hooked up. I want to send $1,000, right? I'm going to pay this to Level Up Higher. Now, I got $1,000 sitting in my account right now. Now I could just empty out in this account, or I could just send this money back to myself. So you could cash out and put this in your account. You could charge extra $15 for instantly. So that's how you take money off your credit card using Cash App. You can use either a personal card or a business credit card. I personally would like business credit cards because you get to hide your utilization and use from your credit report, which is great. You want to go on your Navy Federal app. After you get in your Navy Federal app, and depending on how many credit cards you got, which one you want to choose. You want to probably choose the biggest one, or all of them, depending on how much money you want.
So for me, I'm gonna choose my cash rewards since that's my biggest credit card limit. That's 25K. And you could tell how much your cash advance limit is because it tells you 75 out of 25,000. You could take out 7,500 as a cash advance, and the regular interest is 14.99, but the cash advance limit is 16.99, exactly 2% more. That's the only thing that Navy Federal will charge you is 2% more. That's it. All right, so it's not that no crazy fees or nothing. So boom, since you know that, you want to go to transfer and make transfer. Select what credit card you want to use, which is the cash advance one. You want to select what account it's going to go to. I'm going to use my E account, and you could put up to $7,500 in your account. Let me do $2,000. Do 2,000. 2,000. Cash advance to e-checking. Boom. Make transfer. Done. Now I go back to my account, and it's available immediately.
So with Navy Federal, that money is available instantly. You could put that right into your account same day, in seconds. You go to the bank, take it out. You could Zelle it to yourself. You could do a cashier's check to yourself. Whatever you want to do to get the money, and you only get charged 2% extra interest. No crazy fees, no $30 fees, none of this, none of that. The big banks charge you those crazy fees. Credit unions don't really charge you no fees, especially Navy Federal. Don't charge you no crazy fees. They just charge you a little bit more interest. And if you go to the ATM and take it out, if it's a non-Navy Federal ATM, they charge you like 30 cents to take money out of somebody else's bank account. So, this stuff is very low costing, and you can get money like that. So if you like this, give me one of these. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Talk to you on the next one, all right? Level up. Higher.